Let's get it. My package is here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and thanks for coming and hanging out with me for a few minutes today. I have a review for you guys today on this company called jacket.com. Now, I came across this company the same way that I came across jeweler.com. If you guys didn't see my first video of my jeweler.com review, go ahead and check it out. I'm going to leave the link down in the description box below. Be sure to go check that out right after this one, of course. So today I'm going to be talking about jacket.com, which is a online shopping site for coats. I came across this site because I was in the market for a new coat. Obviously it's winter, it's getting cold, and I'm here in Connecticut. So I needed something really heavy, something with good quality that was gonna last, so I don't have to keep going out and buying coats every single year. I did have a coat already from Hollister. It was like a $60 coat. You get what you pay for. So obviously it's not really holding up really well. I looked at some North Faces, but I didn't really see any that I like this year. I do like North Faces a lot. I also like Canada Goose coats, but right now your girl cannot afford a Canada Goose. So I saw jacket.com popping up on my Facebook. I saw the ads popping up on my Instagram. So I went browse through the site and I saw a lot of coats that I actually liked. They had a sale for Black Friday for 50% off. So I was like, girl, please, you cannot beat that. So I went ahead and I made an order. And I ordered me a coat, guys. So I'm gonna let you guys see how it came packaged. It's a huge box. It's gonna cover my whole entire face. So this is the packaging. This is how it came packaged. And it shipped via DHL Express shipping. Now I placed my order on Black Friday the 29th, and it was supposed to be here on December 3rd, but I don't know if it's because of the weather, because it did snow a little, but the shipping actually got delayed. It wasn't too much of a delay. I got it yesterday. I got home. I had to go to an appointment. I got home and it was on my doorstep. They were really, really good with communicating and letting me know when shipping was going to be delayed, when it was the estimated delivery date, and things like that. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open this for you guys, and we're going to see how it looks and if I'm happy with it. This is the first, you guys are going to see, I'm opening it right here. So you guys are going to see my first impression. Okay, so this is what the box is looking like. I went ahead and cut off the plastic wrap. It's pretty dope, pretty cool. I love a company that really takes time and focuses on their packaging. It really says a lot about the company overall, to me, in my opinion. So this is just like the packaging slip and a card. It's nothing really special in there. And let's go ahead and see. This is so ratchet. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to come back because I have to put this camera down in order to open this up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and crack open the box. This is really cute. It has this little thing here and you just pull this up and voila. This is so cool. Like, I've never ever ordered anything and had the packaging have as much detail as this packaging right here. This is pretty dope. And I know y'all probably like, girl, please, it's just packaging. But honestly, it really is. It says a lot and it means a lot to me. I don't know. So I'm just gonna go ahead, open this up. And this is the coat. It is so pretty. So I'm just gonna take it out, obviously. And I am going to try it on for you guys. So you guys are going to get to see when it's like on. It's really heavy. That's why I keep dropping it, which is a good thing. So yeah, it has like some fleece material on the inside. And this coat is very heavy. I'm not even lying to you guys. I wish you guys can feel it. It has some weight to it. And that's good. This is very soft. I'm going to try to unzip this. Okay. And it just has the little logo on it. And there's also a logo right here on the side, on the arm. There's a logo on the zipper, and the zipper is pretty cool. Everything is cool. It has these little buttons right here. Another zipper with the tag, the logo. Okay, so this is like a better shot. I mean, it's the best shot I could get, being that I have to hold this camera on my own. So you can see it has 2 pockets here, and it also has fur on the hood, and the fur is actually detachable. There are snaps right here where you can take the fur off the hood if you prefer not to have fur on the hood. The hood is also detachable. There's a zipper here so you can detach the hood. This is the sleeves. I really like sleeves like this because it helps to keep the cold air from flying up your arms. I was not really expecting this, and the pictures online, I feel like they don't do it any justice. So you guys can already tell which way this review is going. I'm in love with the coat already, and I haven't even tried it on. So I'm trying to open it up so you guys can see the inside. Okay, so this is what the inside of the coat looks like. And this just is telling me like what the name of the coat is. I got the Mountaineer Arctic Down Parka, and I got a size large. Oh my god, this is so soft. It reminds me of, if you guys have ever felt one of those comforters, those blankets that have like the soft fleece material on the inside, or even like one of the UGG blankets. This is what it feels like to me. So this is pretty cool, pretty dope. I know I said it like 1,000 times. I'm going to try it on and let you guys see. But now, for real, I'm going to try it on and let you guys see how it looks on. So yeah, guys, this is what the jacket looks like on. Excuse the ratchetness. I know I look a hot mess, but I just threw it on real quick so I could come out and show you guys what the jacket looks like on. So yeah, guys, another thing I wanted to mention is that the fur on this hood is so fluffy and beautiful. A lot of times when you see coats online with the fur on the hood, it's shown so nice and fluffy in the pictures online, but then when you get it, the fur is all raggedy and scrawny looking. So I really love that about this coat. You can see the logo here as well on the shoulder and the back. And one other thing I forgot to mention is that it does have drawstrings on the inside. So if you want to pull the drawstrings to make it tighter around the waist, like to cinch it in, I like to do that a lot because that also helps to prevent the cold air from flying up like in the bottom of the coat. And yeah, so this is like a full slow-mo 360 so you guys can see exactly how it looks on. Again, excuse the ratchetness. I just threw on anything to just come outside and show you guys a real life view of what this coat really looks like on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. And I actually almost forgot this. I didn't see this at first, but this is just a little thank you card that they have in here, and an invitation for me to share my jacket experience, which I definitely will be doing. You know something neat about this box? I can just take my coat and fold it back up and put it in here once the spring, summertime rolls around, and stick it right in my closet. So I don't have to just leave it hanging in the closet. I could just put it back in the box so it could be like protected. This part right here is actually like magnetized. So once you close it, it just automatically like snaps. I don't know, you guys probably can't see it as well, but I can definitely feel it. You can see how it has some give to it. You have to literally like pull it like so. And this is like kind of like, so the letters are like rubber. That's pretty cool. I really like this packaging. I love this box. Well guys, that's the end of my review for jacket.com. I'm so sad to go, but I gotta head out, okay? But yeah, that's my review. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully I covered enough bases for you guys. Like I said, I was blown away by the quality of the coat. The coat is very heavy. You can tell that the material is very good quality. It is definitely worth the investment. So I highly recommend you guys go head over to jacket.com and check out their site. I'm going to leave the link down below in the description bar, and I'm also going to leave the link to the exact jacket that I got as well, so you guys can go check that out. Yeah, I have nothing bad to say about this experience, and I'm actually gonna head over to the website myself because I do plan on copping a couple more coats, you know. I'm really happy with my purchase, and I think yeah, North Face who, because yeah, I'm a jacket girl now. Anyway, guys, if you have not already, go ahead and subscribe, please. It'll help me out a lot. Also, like this video and turn on the notification bell so that you guys will know every time I upload a new video. I do have a few videos that I'm going to try to roll out within the next week or two, so just bear with me, guys. I know the quality isn't up to par, but you know, I'm getting there. Okay, I'm working on some new lighting, I'm working on a new camera, we just working over here. But if you're here and you're a subscriber and you've been watching my videos, thank you so much for rocking with me. And trust me, when I get to the top, you know, I'm not gonna forget you guys. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.